How to solder an IC3 connector. These guys are a little bit smaller than the IC5. I'm going to use the jigs up. I typically, when I'm using these, I put them here, put it on its side, strip of wire, do a little twist to the wire. I use some 1-up solder to tint the wire. Doesn't take very much. Just make sure I get it all the way around. I'm twisting the wire in my hand. Put a little tint on the actual connector. Double check that I have positive and negative set up correctly. This side is the negative. Negative would be black. I'm using the Track Power TK950 soldering station. I recommend using a good soldering station when soldering. It makes it a lot easier. Got to hold it on just for a little bit, let the solder dry. If you need to, use some needle nose pliers. Don't forget to put the little cover on. And voila.